Welcome to the Remote Accountants and Income Channel. I'm your host, Vince, and today I've got a great announcement for everybody. I am in the process of making a QuickBooks training video that'll be available for everyone. The person who I have on this project is a certified QuickBooks user, certified as an expert. And so this person I am dealing with to make this video is going to be recording a lot of useful material about bookkeeping on QuickBooks and how the different functionality works on QuickBooks. So it's going to be really useful to a lot of people, as I know that QuickBooks is a huge software that's out there. And so this is going to be a video that I will make available on my group. So you can find more details about how to get that video, and you can contact me, you leave a comment, or you can send me a message there on Facebook. The link to that group there is down below, by the way, guys. And like I say for all my videos, guys, just remember, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It helps me out on this channel. But this is a big announcement, this QuickBooks video, because I've been wanting to do a tutorial on QuickBooks, but I recognize that I've dealt with QuickBooks myself for a long time. I could probably have shot a video with me training on that, but I also realize that there are individuals out there that have used it more than I have, especially that are certified in QuickBooks or other software that requires a certain number of things you've got to pass to meet that certification. So I stepped aside and I said, you know what, I'm going to let somebody else take the reins, at least making this video for the purpose of me being able to utilize it. And so that way you guys can get the best training possible. So it's a big development for you guys. If this goes well, by the way, guys, if this goes well, I will plan on making other tutorials on the various accounting softwares that are out there, such as Xero, SAP, and if you're still using Microsoft Dynamics and other things like that as well, to be able to have that available for you guys. But I'm going to roll it out one at a time. I'll see how it does. If there's good demand, if it's seems like it's really helping people out, then that's great. That's wonderful. We'll keep doing those types of training videos for you guys and make that available. That video will be actually by request only. It will be available here on the YouTube channel. So just let you guys know that it's going to be a 2-hour long video. It's quite a good length of it, but it's going through the full accounting cycle on QuickBooks. And again, that's going to be by request either in my Facebook group, or you can just leave a comment here on the YouTube channel. Guys, by the way, today is May 19th, Thursday. It's about 11:45 a.m. Here, Pacific Standard Time. Today at 1 o'clock, I'm going to be doing my job announcements on my Facebook group. So once again, guys, I say in every single video, these are not my own jobs. You guys got to do your own research to make sure the job is legitimate, that it's a good fit for you. Send off email messages, send off personal messages, check their websites, do what you can to make sure the job is going to be good for you, to make sure that all is okay when you do get that position, if you get that position, of course. A lot of different job openings, by the way, guys. When I post these jobs that are out there, it ranges. It's accounts payable, accounts receivable, payroll. It could be analysis, budgeting, things like that. So I do my best as a group moderator to kind of filter jobs that come my way. Like, I have had certain things come my way, such as like a virtual assistant, or maybe someone's like an insurance agent and things like that don't quite fit my group, that I kind of saying, well, yeah, there could be somebody that could be on the group that maybe want that role, but this isn't really related to finance and accounting. So I've kind of filtered through. But I can only do so much. There's a lot of things that come my way. I mean, the group is now approaching about 30,000 members, very close to that, which is great. That's wonderful. But it also means that it's a lot to sort through when jobs come my way and people have questions regarding certain positions. So I do my best to filter it from a top level, but I don't know all the details behind these positions that people come to me and they have job openings. But it makes it available for you guys. That's why I post this. I had this concept in my mind about 2 years ago. Wouldn't it be great to have a group with accountants that were networking? But then as accountants started networking on there, I saw more job openings, and I said, what would be great if this group were to have regular postings for jobs for everybody. And so, that's what this is about, so that you guys can see jobs that are on that group. So again, that link there is down below for that Facebook group if you're not already part of it. A lot of people that are on my channel, my YouTube channel, come from that group. So I imagine most of you who are seeing this are already a part of that group. But if you're not, please join that and please subscribe to this channel, as I said before. But I just think it's such a great method of providing value for you guys on that accounting group because new jobs are there all the time. Sometimes there's a lot within a particular country, but it doesn't mean it's all in one country. It's like it's all across the world that you'll see job openings. I'll see stuff here in the United States. I'll see stuff in the UK. I'll see stuff in Australia. Of course, many job openings in the Philippines. So it's just about making it so that way everybody can see it, they can apply for it, and because it's remote, you could technically be in one country and be able to do books for somebody else in a different country. I mean, that's the great thing about the internet and about remoteness these days. Is you can work from anywhere in the world, and you can be like me. I'm here on the boat. I've got a couple clients myself, and I work on a boat. So anyway, I just super excited about that video again, guys. It's gonna be helpful. Check that out. Ask me about that. Excited about these job posts and the jobs that are coming my way. Excited about the group, the growth in that, and the growth in this YouTube channel too. I'm approaching it's somewhere like between 750 or something like that, around that range for subscribers. I started this group, this channel about in October, so early October, and so it's grown pretty well. And so I'm going to try to post additional content that's available to you guys. By the way, for content, there's stuff on this channel. I do a lot of these postings where I announce job openings or updates and stuff like that, but there also be aware that I've posted a lot of tips and tutorials. I had one just about 3 or 4 videos ago that was a great tip that I take from a course that I offer. I do an accounting career course, and I gave you guys a free tip that I posted on this channel, so you guys can check that out. So just be aware of that, guys, that's there, and you guys can certainly see that and be aware of that. But yeah, it's great because this channel we have Excel tutorials that are on there. I have videos on here about balance sheets and income statements. I did a cross interview with a guy named Bryce Tubbs that's on this. He has an accounting group, and of course I have one too. I interviewed him, he interviewed me. We talked about helping accountants out. So this channel is going to have a lot of value for you guys, a lot of stuff that's going on here, as well as that Facebook group. So that's always been kind of the two go hand in hand. So become a member of both. Guys, I'll cap this here a little bit under 8 minutes here for today. It's a lot of great updates. Keep your participation on the group too. I'd love to see you guys' comments on there, see how things have helped you guys out. I'm going to try to have like a testimonial at some point, either on this channel or on the group of accountants who've been helped out. That's kind of been the unseen factor in this too, is I know that I've personally seen accountants get jobs and being able to have life changes for them. So that's a wonderful thing. So at some point I'll have that available on my group and perhaps on this channel. All right, guys, take care and have a good day, and I'll see you on the next video.